If you have experienced Power BI as a developer or end user, it's very likely that some of the following questions came to mind.
Why my Power BI report is so slow? How can I improve end user experience? Is my solution well designed? Is there any feature that can be applied to my report? Is my solution cost optimized?
If yes, Bitpick can help you. Power BI Audit allows to answer all of the above questions and even more. Okay, but how does it look in practice?
So, starting from the beginning, the first step is discovery. We'll discover what is the root cause of audit performing and what are your needs and expectations. We'll listen to the voice of stakeholders and end users to build a whole picture of the case. Having that, we are ready to take the next step, which is detection, the most crucial phase. We'll deep dive into your Power BI solution to analyze it from different angles.
Using dedicated tools such as DAX Studio, Tabular Editor and other, we will review data model design, DAX measures, used visualizations from best practices perspective to make sure that your report is well optimized and works as fast as it can. We will also analyze the report from end users' perspective to make your report easy to read and convenient for end users, as well as we will take into consideration all of the newest functionalities released by Microsoft to make sure that your report is up to date with the newest features.
Cost effectiveness is about recommending best Power BI licensing based on actual company needs. Security and data protection means that data distribution should be performed in a safe and controlled way.
With all of the insights gathered during detection phase, we are ready to provide you a comprehensive report, identifying main bottlenecks and focused on the solution quality. We can organize a workshop or we can present it in any way that suits you best.
Now when you know what Power BI Audit is about, we'll tell you how it goes in practice.
Bitpick carried out an audit for a global provider of onboard connectivity solutions for aircraft passenger. So, thanks to that company, you can use the internet or make a phone calls during the flight. After Power BI solution revision, we were able to redesign an effective DAX measure which improved report performance. We also resolved the problem with data loading by aggregating and changing data sources.
Thanks to change of license approach and tire reduction, we were able to decrease total cost of the solution. What's more, introducing centralized dataset for corporate reporting resolved many issues regarding dataset permissions and reusability of data by using apps.
Sounds familiar?
Let us help you.